Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today I am going to show you my milk jug garden, but first I want to show you my tulips and daffodils. If you follow me on TikTok, you probably done seen it by now. Don't worry about the stuff in the back because we're supposed to have a neighborhood pickup and they're supposed to pick our old couch up. But okay, I'm going to show you the tulips and daffodils. Okay, here's my tulips. They've been blooming for a minute. So beautiful. Here's my daffodil. It just opened today. I think this is a not a whispering willow. I forgot what it's, a sleeping something willow or something. That's over 1/3. Some more of my tulips about to open. That's humongous. Some more. Okay, here's my beautiful daffodils. They're pretty much the same ones, so perfect. They've been open for a couple of days now. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite daffodil and tulip are. Okay guys, I want to show you, I just transplanted some sweet peas. I always try to say something else. Sweet pea flowers and my nasturtiums I got at Walmart for 50 cents. Them seeds at Walmart for 50 cents is some good seeds, so I highly recommend them. But okay, I'm going to show you. The sun and stuff was blinding us, but okay, I'm gonna show you my sweet pea flowers right there, and I got one right there coming up. I can't wait. And a rose, which you will see that in my garden toy video. Okay, here's my nasturtiums. I transplanted them like yesterday, so that's why they flopped over right there. Right there, you see that is stand up, and over there. They look nice and healthy. See, the leaves is nice and healthy. Okay, now the winter sowing update, what you guys came here for. I just wanted to show you some of that stuff, you know, because it's so beautiful and I'm excited about it. Okay, I got some new stuff out. Here's my tomato. This is my warm weather stuff you see coming up. Nothing. Some more. Bachelor's button. Ooh. And nothing. My zinnias from Baker Creek, the red lime zinnia. Some more. I think this is marigold that I saved the seeds. Okay, now look, I'm about to have to open the jugs. This one I'm going to open today because it's busting out of the bottle, so she needs to be open. See, some milkweed, nothing, some other stuff. So beautiful. By the way, I have everything written down in a book in the house, so that's why you see the numbers. Okay, now we gotta get somewhere so I can open this and the sun's not blinding. So I will see you on the back porch. Okay, I decided not to do it on the back porch, so we're in the front where the sun is not, you know, shining on me and you guys can see. But okay, here we go. Oh, I was out pulling weeds in the yard today. Dang, this tape is like glued on. Yeah, I got this tape from the Dollar Tree. I'm surprised it's that strong. Okay. Here we go. I got it. This is my wildflower mix. Bam. Look at that. Beautiful. After a couple of days, they will stand back up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to plant this out. So nice. The stems on here is thick. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, you see right here, the stem and stuff looks thick. So nice. See how tall it is? Yeah, I'm so proud. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and in the next vlog we will be transplanting my wildflowers over here in the forever home. This is a perennial, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me a comment below what you're growing, and if you ever winter sowed, let me know. When you winter sow, you don't have to harden them off or nothing. They're already used to the elements and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day.